John Crestani, this dude. Is John Crestani a scam? You have probably seen many ads on Facebook and YouTube about John Crestani, and you are wondering what is John Crestani is really teaching. Can be trusted, or whether John Crestani is a scam. That is what you'll find out in this video. I have spent more than 24 hours analyzing John Crestani's materials and watch video on his YouTube channel so I can share my honest opinion, what he's teaching and what I think about him. By the way, if it's your first time to my channel, my name is Frank Chanda. I'm an internet marketer and I'm the owner of thewealthyacademy.com. I give tips and training on how to build a successful online business. I also review other programs on this channel to help people to avoid scam online. Therefore, you will need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll get my notification. You will also find all the resources I mentioned in this video in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Who is John Crestani? John Crestani is an influencer in the affiliate marketing industry and a YouTube personality with over 500k subscribers. John Crestani is also known as a super affiliate with his long success of making $250 to $500 million per month in sales. With his success, he decided to share what he has learned on the internet and create the Internet Jet Set in 2015, where he's teaching the basics of affiliate marketing. In 2019, John Crestani rebranded the Internet Jet Set to super affiliate system. This is the step-by-step affiliate marketing course where John Crestani is showing his students how to make money online with affiliate marketing. What exactly does John Crestani teach? John Crestani is teaching his students how to make money online by promoting other people's products and services. This business model has made him more fortune. As you can see, the life is living. Affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online from anywhere in the world. The affiliate marketing processes look very easy. You just sign up for free with affiliate network like ClickBank, Digistore24, and pick a product you wish to promote. But the hard part is to get results. That is why John Crestani has launched his course to teach you the hard step to make money online. I have reviewed the super affiliate system in more detail on my website. You can check it out to see if it's a good training for you or not and if you can afford it. The super affiliate system is a premium course where John Crestani is teaching his students how to make money online with affiliate marketing. What you have to know as an affiliate marketer, you are working to generate traffic to people's websites who offer through your affiliate links. An affiliate link is your ID where the vendor will track all the sales. As an affiliate marketer, you rely 100% on traffic, and without traffic, you don't have a business. Think about traffic as people who are visiting your store. Affiliate marketing can be done with free traffic and paid traffic. Free traffic is about ranking your website in the search engine. You'll need to learn more about SEO. This method needs time and work to see results. It is a very lucrative method if you master the SEO, and it can help you to make passive income without spending money on it. If this method doesn't work, of course you'll waste time, not money. This is the best method I recommend my audience. It helps you to build a relationship and build trust with your audience. Paid traffic. This is about placing your ad on Google, Facebook, and other platforms. As you can hear, it is paid traffic. It is not free. It involves spending money on Google and other platforms to put your offer in front of your potential audience. This is the fast way to generate traffic to your affiliate links. If the product you are promoting does not convert well, it will affect your ROI, return on the investment. The super affiliate system entire training is based on teaching its students how to drive traffic with paid traffic. The drawback is John Crestani's system is to convert a student to promote his course. If you buy the course, you are more likely to promote his course, which is in the making money online niche and is a very competitive niche. Does John Crestani's student get results? At first glance, it appears that John Crestani's students are making money with what he's teaching. But when you look closely at the testimonial that John Crestani is showing on his webinar, those testimonials are old, mostly from 2016 to 2019, which I consider meaningless since affiliate marketing has changed drastically over the past years. Gone are those days when the affiliate marketer could simply rely on Facebook ads and email blasts to promote their products. Those days is about creating content that is interesting and engaging. It is also important to remember that people are much more likely to trust recommendations from people they know and they trust. So it is important to build relationship with your audience in your niche. That is why I prefer free traffic. It involves writing content and making YouTube video to build relationship with your audience. Although it takes time to see results, but it works if you dedicate your time and energy to creating quality content. If you want to learn step by step how to start your affiliate marketing business with free traffic, you can check out my top recommendation platform, which teaches how to build a niche website from scratch. You'll find the link in the description box. Overall, affiliate marketing has changed drastically. It is now much more complex and sophisticated process than it was in the past. That is why I said those old testimonials you found on John Crestani webinar are meaningless. So it's a bit hard to find decent results from John Crestani students. And if you find one or two, they are promoting John Crestani course that pays $460 per sale. Can John Crestani be trusted? There is a lot of controversies here around John Crestani and whether or not he's a scam artist. Some people say that he's a genius marketer who built a successful online business empire. Others claim that he's a fraudster who taken advantage of people who are looking to make money online. So who's right? Is John Crestani a scam artist or a successful online entrepreneur? There is no easy answer. On the other hand, John Crestani has certainly built a successful online business. He is a well-known internet marketer and has made a lot of money through affiliate marketing. On the other hand, there are also a lot of people who have lost money after following his advice. John Crestani has been accused of using shady marketing tactics and promising people easy riches that never materialize. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide whether or not you think John Crestani is a scam artist. John Crestani is the online entrepreneur who has achieved results in the online world. Whether John Crestani can be trusted or not, it's up to you to decide and analyze some of the red flags that you can find as your deal breaker. The first red flag is John Crestani is using marketing gimmicks to increase sales. But when you're about to buy his course, you will have this huge discount almost for $4,000. As you can see the screenshot, this is just a marketing gimmick to make sales. The training is always sold at $997. Again, some of his video is making sound that making money online is easy. I start to believe that he's trying to make people think like affiliate marketing is a get rich quick scheme. To be honest, affiliate marketing is not easy as John Crestani make it sound. Even if you try to sell your product to your friends and family, you won't make quick sales. John Crestani also claimed that his course can make a completely beginner to make $500 plus over 6 weeks or less. This is a very bold claim. As a newbie, you have to digest the process of learning and understand the business model. I have been online for a while. Most of people who are making serious money with affiliate marketing start seeing results within 3 months and make decent money over the years. As a newbie in affiliate marketing, it's easy to fall for this claim, and when you don't see result, you end up calling John Crestani a scam. This is why most of people think the super affiliate system is a scam. Therefore, John Crestani is making affiliate marketing look like a get-rich-quick scheme business model. In conclusion, John Crestani is a very successful entrepreneur and super affiliate who has built a workforce of people selling his course. So when you watch his video on YouTube, it's about promoting his course on WhatsApp, Facebook, Pinterest, and other platforms. Even if you buy the course, you end up promoting it. All the funnels and strategy are done to promote super affiliate system. Yes, you can get a lot of value on his course, but you have to put in mind that you will need some extra budget for ads. If you are on a very tight budget, John Crestani course is not for you. The best way to make money online with affiliate marketing is to SEO. And even if it doesn't work, you can only waste your time, not money. If you want to get your feet wet and learn how affiliate marketing works, you can sign up for my free 7-day affiliate marketing bootcamp and understand how affiliate marketing works. Now it's time for me to talk to you. Do you think John Crestani is a scam? Can you really buy his course? Tell me what you think in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online.